Hello everyone, welcome to Language Talk. This video has been made by Reza and Sada. In this presentation, we are going to make you familiar with IELTS test. As some of you might know, IELTS is the world's most popular English test for non-English speakers around the world. But a very important question that pops up everywhere is, what are the advantages of taking IELTS exam? Well, the most significant reasons are studying, working, traveling, and immigration. Talking about different IELTS test types, there are two choices available, academic and general. But which test is right for you? Well, for those of you who are planning to study at undergraduate or postgraduate levels, you should take IELTS Academic, which is more difficult than IELTS General in terms of reading and writing. On the other side, there is IELTS General, which is easier than IELTS Academic and appropriate for people whose plan is to just travel and work. The overall score for both types is between 0 and 9. Considering test formats, again there are two different types, paper-based and computer-based. In the paper-based IELTS, test takers will sit at a desk with the question papers and answer sheets for the listening, reading, and writing. The speaking test is carried out face-to-face with a trained IELTS examiner. In the computer-delivered IELTS, however, you'll sit in front of a computer with the questions presented on the screen. The speaking test is not on computer and is carried out face-to-face. If you wish to get more information about studying sources, getting prepared for the exam, exam centers, and taking lessons with us, you can contact us through our Instagram page, Language Talk. Thanks for your attention.